future would be great, and a level of prosperity and hopefully happiness that we can't quite imagine yet.
What we really wanted to achieve here is like, well, why make this really fast car that's crazy fast and everything? And I think there is something that's quite important to the future of sustainable energy, which is that we got to show that an electric car is the best car, hands down.
This isn't just a new engine. It's a seismic shift, a bold declaration to every automaker. The future has arrived, and it's wearing Tesla's logo. Elon Musk has once again redefined what's possible, unveiling a profound breakthrough that has left the industry reeling. This isn't a minor upgrade or a predictable step forward. It's a leap into uncharted territory that could end the electric vehicle (EV) race before the competition even laces up its shoes. Experts call this motor a glimpse of the future. No gears, lag, or limits. It doesn't just move, it surges with a silent ferocity that redefines performance. With this innovation, Tesla may have outpaced its rivals and eliminated their relevance. How did Musk and his team pull this off, and what does it mean for the automotive world? The answer starts here, with Tesla's game-changing motor. Tesla has operated on the cutting edge for years, consistently outmaneuvering legacy automakers and ambitious startups. Its vehicles have set benchmarks for range, speed, and technology. But this new motor represents something far beyond incremental progress. It's a revolution, not an evolution. At a recent unveiling, Musk and his engineering team introduced a new type of electric motor that threatens to render the competition obsolete. This isn't just about building a better car, it's about rewriting the rules of what an EV can be. At the heart of this innovation lies the carbon-wrapped rotor, a component that sounds unassuming but delivers nothing short of astonishing performance. Traditional electric motors rely on metal rotors that, under the intense demands of high-speed operation, heat up, expand, and degrade. These limitations cap how fast the motors can spin and how much power they can deliver before breaking down. Tesla's carbon-wrapped rotor obliterates those constraints. Encased in advanced carbon fiber, this rotor remains stable under extreme conditions, resisting warping, overheating, and wear. The result, a motor capable of exceeding 20,000 revolutions per minute, a figure that was once considered unattainable in the EV world. For context, most high-performance EV motors struggle to surpass 16,000 RPM before succumbing to stress. Tesla hasn't just pushed the envelope, it's torn it to shreds. This motor isn't just faster, it's lighter, calmer, and stronger than anything the industry has seen. It generates more torque, accelerates more rapidly, and endures longer while consuming less energy. You can see the huge improvements we've made. And it started off with good performance, but now with the Plaid, we've managed to break the 2C barrier, if you will. No production car has ever done 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. This efficiency is a game changer in an industry where every watt counts. Unlike traditional motors that require heavy cooling systems to manage heat, Tesla's design stays cool with minimal support, reducing weight and complexity. The carbon fiber construction also means fewer rare metals and moving parts, making the motor easier and cheaper to produce at scale. This isn't a tweak or a refinement, it's a complete reimagination of how electric motors should function. While competitors are still iterating on decades-old designs, Tesla has leapt into a new era, leaving the industry scrambling to catch up. The performance metrics of this motor are staggering. Tesla's latest vehicles equipped with this technology can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, faster than a Bugatti Chiron, a Lamborghini Aventador, and nearly any production car in history. But raw speed is only part of the story. What sets this motor apart is its ability to deliver blistering performance without the usual trade-offs. Older high-performance EVs often drained batteries quickly, sacrificing range for power. Tesla's motor, however, is a marvel of efficiency, converting energy into motion with minimal loss. It runs cooler, reducing the need for bulky cooling systems, and its lightweight design enhances the vehicle's overall agility. One of the perennial challenges for EVs has been range anxiety, the fear that a battery will run dry before reaching its destination. Tesla's new motor addresses this head-on. Optimizing energy use, it delivers high performance without the typical drain on the battery. This means longer drives, fewer charging stops, and less wear on the battery over time. This translates to confidence and convenience for drivers. No more agonizing over whether to push the accelerator or conserve power. With this motor, you don't have to choose between thrilling performance and practical range. You get both in abundance. Perhaps even more remarkable is Tesla's ability to achieve these gains while slashing production costs. By simplifying the motor's design and reducing reliance on rare materials, Tesla has made manufacturing more affordable. This could lead to lower prices for consumers or higher profit margins for the company. Either way, it's a win for Tesla. While competitors grapple with the high costs of transitioning to electric production, Tesla is rapidly streamlining its processes and scaling up. This motor isn't just a technological triumph, it's a strategic masterstroke that positions Tesla to dominate the market for years. The implications for the EV industry are profound. The race to build better electric vehicles was supposed to be a marathon, with legacy automakers like Ford, GM, Toyota, and Volkswagen investing billions to close the gap. Startups like Lucid and Rivian promised innovative designs, while Chinese giants like BYD surged in global sales. For a moment, it seemed Tesla's lead might narrow. Then came the carbon-wrapped motor, and the competitive landscape shifted overnight. Legacy automakers are already struggling to adapt. Most of their EVs are built on platforms designed for gas-powered cars, making them heavier, less efficient, and costlier to produce. Their factories, optimized for internal combustion engines, lack the flexibility to compete with Tesla's purpose-built gigafactories. And while these companies rely on third-party suppliers for critical components like batteries, Tesla designs and manufactures its own, giving it unmatched control over its supply chain. Startups face even steeper challenges. Lucid has produced a stunning electric sedan, but its high price tag limits its market reach. Rivian's electric trucks are impressive, but production delays and cost overruns have slowed its momentum. These companies have bold visions but lack Tesla's scale, infrastructure, and relentless pace of innovation. Even BYD, which has overtaken Tesla in total EV sales by focusing on affordable models in China, lags in technology, range, and performance. Tesla's new motor widens this gap, setting a standard that others will struggle to meet. But Tesla's dominance isn't just about hardware. The company's software, particularly its full self-driving (FSD) system, gives it another insurmountable edge. Trained on billions of miles of real-world driving data, Tesla's AI is constantly learning, adapting, and improving. Unlike competitors who rely on static maps or limited sensor suites, Tesla's system behaves more like a human driver, navigating complex environments with increasing precision. Every Tesla on the road is a data collector, feeding information back to the company's neural network. This creates a virtuous cycle. More data leads to more intelligent AI, which leads to safer, more capable vehicles. No other automaker comes close to matching this capability. Tesla's battery technology is another pillar of its dominance. The company's 4,680 battery cells, designed to complement the new motor, store more energy, charge faster, and last longer than anything else on the market. These cells are more efficient, reducing wear and tear, and their compact design allows Tesla to pack more power into a smaller space. This synergy between motor, battery, and AI creates a vehicle that's fast, smart, efficient, and built to last. While competitors focus on solving one piece of the EV puzzle, range, performance, or cost, Tesla has mastered them all, creating a seamless ecosystem years ahead of the competition. Tesla's global strategy amplifies its advantage. While other automakers grapple with supply chain bottlenecks and production delays, Tesla is expanding aggressively. Its gigafactories in Shanghai, Berlin, Texas, and beyond are marvels of automation, designed to churn out vehicles and batteries at unprecedented scale. These facilities don't just produce cars, they are redefining how cars are made, with innovations like single-piece castings and vertical integration that slash costs and accelerate production. In Europe, Tesla is challenging Volkswagen on its home turf. In China, it dominates the premium EV market despite fierce local competition. In the US, it commands the lion's share of EV sales. And Tesla isn't stopping there. New markets like India, the Middle East, and South America are next on its radar. Tesla's direct-to-consumer model further sets it apart. By bypassing traditional dealerships, Tesla controls the entire customer experience, from online ordering to home delivery and over-the-air software updates. This streamlined approach contrasts sharply with legacy automakers' clunky, middleman-heavy systems. Tesla's ability to update its vehicles remotely ensures they improve over time, adding features and performance without a trip to the service center. This isn't just a car company. It's a global force, moving faster than regulations, supply chains, or competitors can keep up with. At its core, Tesla's new motor is more than an engineering feat, it's a statement of intent. It signals that Tesla isn't content to compete. It's here to dominate. This motor solves long-standing industry challenges: overheating, inefficiency, limited range, and slow charging in a single stroke. But Musk's vision extends far beyond faster cars. Tesla is building an ecosystem where energy, intelligence, and automation converge. Solar roofs, Powerwalls, gigafactories, and AI neural networks feed into a singular goal: a world free from fossil fuels, pollution, and outdated infrastructure. Picture fleets of self-driving Teslas charging in minutes, learning from every mile, and transporting people and goods with silent efficiency. Imagine this system scaling globally, powering homes, cities, and even off-grid regions. This isn't just about transportation. It's about reshaping how humanity moves, lives, and thrives. Tesla's competitors may catch up someday, but by then Musk will likely be onto something even bigger, something no one else has dared to imagine. This motor isn't the finish line. It's the starting gun in a race Tesla is already winning.